stick my nose here. We all good?
Yes.
Okay. Go wait, I like this one better. Hi Jacob, how's it going? You. No, Sam's gross. I like him, he's hot. I finally figured out who he is. That's Embry. He's hot. Oh,
I knew it was Embry.
I didn't. Everyone that has didn't tell me. I think that one's Quill, and that's Paul. Where's Jared? Jared's not there. That's wrong. Oh my God. You're not supposed to bite my nose.
If you get any boogers on that, I'm killing you.
We're all good.
Oh!
Funny, stop. Are you guys ready to see Miss Piggy? No. Miss Piggy left yesterday. You ready to see Hoppers?
Sure.
Hi, Miss Penny. How's it going, children? Wait. How's it going, children? I love you. You're my favorite actor ever. If you would shave once in a while. Yeah, I'll help you with that. Shave. Oh, bad. Oh, you're so cute. Wrap him up. I'll take two. Oh, come here. Bad Miss Penny. But I love him. No, that is wrong. You can't love posters. Okay. Come here, Jamie. I love you, Jamie.
No.
No.
Here.
Oh, kitty.
You got a nice view of her butt.
Bad kitty. Kitty, I still love you.